Oh!
There you go. That's a big one.
Oh yeah!
I got you.
Oh yeah!
I'm almost in it.
I felt that wet bang. That thing hammered it. Oh my god! Oh my god, bro! What the buck is up? Hope you're having a bucking outrageous day. So today, back on the Detroit River. So it's been a long time since I've been on here. Had a few things I had to work on. You guys are gonna be seeing that soon. A lot of good things coming to you guys. Gonna make sure that you guys are provided down here. So catch those walleye for me and show me what you guys got. Anyways, today we're back on the shore. First outing. Gonna be fishing with my buddy Jerbear. We got Wind City in the back door over there. You guys seen that with the rainbow trout, right? Lucky guy. My turn is coming very soon. It could have been a co-host Salmon too. I don't know. You guys tell me. But anyways, hi, eh?
What's up, bro?
Anyways, like I said, we're gonna be searching for these first walleye. Everybody's getting that itch on. We're gonna be using these bucking shiners. Jerbear jigs is what we're gonna be doing with. Let's light the scene up, all right? Let's go. All right, guys. So here we go. What are we gonna use? Color change. Color change. Check that out. Isn't that beauty?
This walleye was brought to you by
This
color.
There's the Iron Man. Let's get to fishing.
Yeah, I was there yesterday, and I was probably off the corner, right, like where the corner is right here. I was like 2 poles over, and I was catching dead line every time, man. Yeah, it's pretty crazy. I'll be back. Yeah. You know, you catch one, we'll be over there. Noob Sabot?
Yeah, Noob Sabot. Is that a new pole?
Oh, it's McKelli's.
Oh.
It's more sensitive than my cherry wood.
Okay. There
you go.
There it is.
There you go.
There it is. There it is. All right, finally.
Look at that. You were in close.
I went back.
Closer than me.
I went back 3 times in the same spot. Finally.
Finery.
I know.
Finery. The walleye have come back to Windsor. Come on, sheephead.
Don't say that. Don't say that. Let me get my first walleye in the season in.
Sheephead. Smallmouth. Smallmouth. Smallmouth.
No, it's a walleye.
Smallmouth.
It's a pickerel.
Smallmouth. It's not a pickerel, it's a walleye.
It's a walleye.
It's a good size one too. Oh yeah. Oh, wow. Oh, no, come here, girl. Yeah! First one of the year. There you go, bro.
Yay! Iron Man! Iron Man!
My color, my jig.
Oh, thank you, Jerbear jig. All right.
Big old
So there you go, guys. Finally, after that huge drought, man.
Finery.
Yeah, finery. So there you go. I got it on the Jerbear jig and the Iron Man bucking shiner right there. Yeah.
That's its net. That's its spawning hole.
Yeah. I think it's the same fish.
Yeah.
So there you go. Here you go, guys. First fish of 2021. Literally. Not even through ice fishing and all that stuff. I took a break, you guys can see, and I caught that on an Iron Man bucking shiner with a 3/4 ounce Jerbear jig. So you guys can check that out right there if you guys looking for us. Check out the link in the description below. Here, first walleye back in the water.
Are we finally gonna get a buck fishes video?
Oh, we are, man. Finally, eh? After all the work.
Yeah.
There we go. All right. All right, guys, I'm in Sarnia. St. Clair River. Right on the Port Huron Bridge, right there. You see that blue bridge? That's the Port Huron Bridge.
You know this.
Oh, that's a good one.
You know this, man.
That's a good one, eh?
Yeah. It's a boot.
It's it. What do you mean, a Chinook salmon?
Yeah, they're still a little lethargic.
What? Is it a Chinook salmon?
Yeah. Oh, I wish. It's not fighting hard enough. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, that's a nice one.
Hiya!
Hiya!
Nice.
Oh, we're starting to get him now. Iron Man!
Oh, I have to switch.
Look at you,
yeah,
Iron
I have
Man!
to switch, man. Yeah.
Look at that. There's two on the Iron Man now, guys. All right.
I want to slam him on the ground.
Jesus. Huge Perch. Is it? It's a perch?
Leather boot.
Run over here like Usain Bolt for my brother.
Sitting here with a net.
Yeah.
That's being held together by fishing line.
Oh, it's going to be a nice fish.
I don't know.
That's going to be a nice fish.
I think it's a perch.
Oh!
And my netting skills are still fantastic.
That's a big one.
I think it's a perch.
I think it's a perch. That's not a perch.
What'd you catch it on?
That'd be a world record.
Pimp Daddy.
Oh, the Pimp Daddy bucket shiner, eh?
Yeah.
Word.
That's a big girl.
Nice.
How many you got, Bugs?
How many you got, Bugs? He's all posing nice. That's a beautiful fish, man. That's crazy. All right. The bite is on, eh?
Yeah, it is, brother.
Yeah.
We've been waiting for this.
Oh, yeah.
Look
This
at
is
its eye.
awesome.
It's got cataract.
It does, eh? Can you see that?
Guys. Alright. I didn't want you to record my unhooking skills.
Unhooking
You
skills.
throwing it back?
Yeah.
Good for you, bro.
There you go. First one of the season always goes back. All
That's
right.
your first one of the season, bro.
Yeah.
Congrats.
Thanks, guys.
Well, Jerry, everybody's about to start asking about Jerbear jigs.
Yeah, well, I gotta wait till I get lead. Can't do nothing when you got no lead.
I know.
At the mercy of the international global shipping.
What a fucking stupid way to... They should have lead in Canada.
Yeah.
Fucking illegal.
I guess it's legal to have lead. It's legal to have lead in Canada. It's illegal to have lead paint.
Oh.
They banned lead in paint in this in the
Okay.
70s.
I didn't know that.
Yeah.
Oh!
There you go. That's a big one.
Oh yeah!
I got you.
Oh yeah!
I'm almost in it.
I felt that wet bang. That thing hammered it. Oh my god! Oh my god, bro! Oh my god! This is a tank! This is a tank!
Oh my God! Here's the big girls. They're coming out to play.
That thing struck it so hard.
Oh yeah.
Oh, here we go.
There. I just net everything.
Second fish of the day, man.
No fish of the day. Net at 15 already. Why am I using a net that's tied together?
Oh, it's under the chin.
Why am I
All right.
netting fish that's tied together? with
Iron Man again. All right.
Swiped at it though.
Yeah, he did. Thank you, brother.
Hell yeah.
Woo! All right, we're on. We're on. Thank you, bro. All right.
That's why it felt so big. It was under the chin.
Yeah, it was under the chin, just right under the lip there. But that was a beautiful fish right there. That's eater right there. But, wow. Thank you. Thank you. All right, guys. So that was on the Iron Man bucking shiner again. Second fish on the day. That's roughly about 2 or 3 pounds. These are the ones that you truly want to eat. Nice, delicious fish here. That's just actually very, very clean. But I'm not keeping any fish today. Usually, I just keep what I want to eat on the day. You guys do whatever you want. You guys stock up. Enjoy your walleye season, because I'm going to. Back in the water. Ta-da!
I gotta bring my blade bait. Like, damn, yeah. I think I got you. I want you to dig and no, that's a fish. You didn't even throw it down. You're going too far. This is a drift. Ah, yes.
Nice. Oh, damn!
Oh!
There we go.
I gotta reel in.
Oh my God.
I'm way out there and I gotta reel in.
Damn. I was just paying attention to Steve's fish. All right, third fish coming in. Wherever she is. She's coming in. Yay! Iron Man, number 3. Thank you, Romeo.
That's a nice one. You got fans. Nice catch.
All right, guys, so there we go. Third walleye of the season, third fish on the day. Everybody's doing multiples today. We're doing these runs. There you go. That's a nice little eater right there. Beautiful, beautiful catch. Still using Iron Man right there. Iron Man Bucky Shiner with the Jerbear jig. This is going to be an awesome season, great start. But until next time, baby. There you go, Jerry. He was just talking too soon.
The bottom. That's a rainbow trout.
Look at
I'm
that.
trying to find bottom and it hammered it. Tony Stark. Tony Stark.
Tony Stark, the Iron Man.
You put the Iron Man on?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. The Iron Man has to give in for the Iron Man.
Hey, it's gonna ski, eh?
No, it's going back down.
Here you go, Jerry, breaking the steel, getting to the net.
Attaboy, Jerry.
There you
Now
go.
we're gonna ski it in.
Beautiful.
On the board.
Oh, we gotta get
Board.
Romeo on the net first.
Board!
Hey, there
On
we
the
go.
board!
Yes.
Yeah, Jerry.
Nice one.
Choked it.
Yeah.
Nice, bro.
He did choke it.
Oh my
Look,
god.
that thing's buried in his mouth. You can barely see it. Awesome, brother.
Oh, it's hooked right up top.
Yeah, right to the top of the mouth there. Here you guys go. Jerry's walleye, Bucking Shiner, Jerbear jig. He doesn't seem too excited right now.
Oh,
I know, I'm just kidding. Kobe?
Oh shit, yeah, Kobe.
Kobe!
Let's put it on.
Mutant.
Oh, Traiboy! Oh, JMP!
Catch and release, let's go, baby. Let's go, catch and release.
Hey, get a better net, man.
There you go, boys. On the Kobe.
First fish of the year, guys.
First fish of the year.
That wasn't donated.
It wasn't donated. It's Sockville Entertainment.
Sockville Entertainment. Hey, it's better than Patasonia.
Yes.
It's better than Patasonia. Into the tuck it goes.
There we go, baby. Bless the river.
You gotta hunt the tuck.
100 more to go, baby. Let's go.
All right, bro, I'm out.
All right, man.
Yeah.
How you going?
You still got me.
All right, everyone, gonna end my first outing there. What an outing. First 2021 in the season. That was a nice walleye. Actually ended up getting 3. There was multiple walleyes got caught today. Just about everybody got one. You know, it's good to get that first seal off. We were all using that Bucking Shiner, the Iron Man Jerbear jig. You guys know where to find us. We're gonna be down here catching all these fish. Hey,
bro.
See what I'm saying? Yo, we always get photobomb with each other. I photobomb him. He can always get me back. All right, eh?
All right, bro.
We'll see you guys on the next episode.
Bye.